So I just want to ask this very simple question. Are we Nigerians the only ones in Europe? No, I just want to know, because what I'm seeing these days is like, it's always getting me upset. Later, I see some people come out and say, oh, they are judging us, they don't even know us, we are rich, we are this, we are that. Fine and okay, we are all those things that you guys are always saying. Like, if they read these things they are doing, like these things that is happening now, if they read it, these things they say, oh, they are talking about us, that's not true, this and that they always say we are bad people, Nigerians are bad people. I know Nigerians, not everybody are bad, but majority they say wins the vote. How about the majority? The bad eggs, we never allow them see the good ones. That is the truth. Like I said, I wish they read it in a book. Like these Europeans, they read it in a book, that Nigerians are like this. Or they watch it in a movie that Nigerians are this and that, they are corrupt. They read about it, or they saw it in a movie. It won't have break my heart. I won't have been this heartbroken. But they didn't read all of that, though they read some. But we came here and we exhibited the attitude, and they saw it with their eyes. Now they are not reading it. They are not reading it. I know a lot of you guys will be wondering, why is she out to see, why is she saying all of these things? Yes, I have a reason, and I will tell you a few of it. I stumbled, like I came across a video on a Facebook page. This is a lady in France. Her name is Mama Yuri, one of Paris, and she was talking about something. I just stumbled across the video, and in that video they were just beating up a guy, and I could not understand too much about the video because maybe I came late or something. But when I watched the video, I was kind of, what's going on? Why are they beating him like this? And about 6 to 7 boys were just gathering this guy, and they were hitting him, doing him all sorts of things, and asking him questions. So I said, oh, this is bad. Due to what they were saying due to what the lady was saying, I tried to understand the video, but I could not. So I just had to look for this video, and I had interest in the video anyway because I wanted to come and talk about it. But I still have to investigate and look for the video so I can watch for myself, so I will know what to say in case I want to talk about it. You understand me? So to be thankful to God, I got the video and I watched it. Fam, what I saw in this video was heartbreaking. Not because of, like, just because I am a Nigerian, so I am really heartbroken, and I have brothers that will also travel someday, and I have family that they're also from, like, I'm a Nigerian, my family, we are all Nigerian, okay? I have loved ones, and because of this set of irresponsible people, they will look down on other Nigerians. That is exactly what is getting me upset about the video I watched. Okay, so what I want to say is, in this video they were just talk. I don't know if I'll just try to be careful with the words I'm using on this video, because I don't know if they will drop down the video or anything, but whatever, I don't care. But I just want people to get what I'm trying to say. This video was all about them traveling. Like, they went to a city called Toulouse in that was the former capital city, of France, and they went there to beat a guy about this cultism of a teen. I don't care. And the way they were beating the guy, identify yourself, what and what and what and what, and they redo their whatever they do to the guy. I don't know. I don't want to talk about it. That's bullshit to me. But the point I'm trying to bring out is, number one, some people, they left Nigeria because of this so-called stuff they call courtesan. They ran away from that country. Okay, Nigeria, they ran. And they came here, they gave their stories due to that's one of the things they use in getting documents here. When you say something like that and you have a lot of evidence, they gave you, now you have the documents. You will not work, you will not do nothing, but you just carry this thing called courtesan on your head and start selling it like gala. What is wrong with you? Some are even people's fathers. Some are people's fathers. And I watched that video. What they were saying on that video was arrant nonsense. Like they want to die. They want to go to prison. For heaven's sake, these people, they do now. Like they swear for now. Una say una come for una country because of one or two cause or one or two things where they happen. Una feel run for una life. Una can still come here. Repent, no let una repent. Una no feel repent from that thing. The thing no they give una money. You know they put food for una table. Instead they destroy una. And sometimes if you see all of these people here, the way they'll look so tattered. But once you just read them for their body, say this is what they are doing. And their talking code doesn't even make sense. They talk like they always talk like vagabonds, and it disgusts me a lot. Oh my God, what is going on? The problem now is they will just, the way they see these people now, they will just use the same eye to look at other guys that are Nigerians. The good ones, they will just use that same eye to look at them, which is very wrong. And the thing is paining me too much. Because I know a lot of good Nigerians, a lot of them. Not 10 million, like a lot of them. See somebody go just hold 5 years document for hand, he no go find work, making work, so that he go dey responsible for his life. All they know how to say is work, no dey work, no dey work, no dey. But when I see money take carry una sef, come out for Italy, go France, go beat up somebody. Like when I was growing up, I knew that this thing is called secret court. Secret court. What is secret? What we don't say out, what we don't do in public, that is what they call secret. When you say, this thing is secret, that means you don't want to say it out, or you want to tell somebody this thing, please, this thing, somebody told me it is secret. That means don't share it. Don't share it where other people are. That's what is always enclosed. It's not what they open, what they show to the world. But these days, I heard it was called secret court. But these days, no, it cannot be secret. Now it's called public court. Everybody now knows about it. Even small fly, everybody are in it, doing nonsense, killing themselves every day. And what causes fight between these people doesn't even make sense to me. Like the one I heard in Africa, I was so, like I was mad. What is wrong with this set of people? Are they crazy? Are they animals? They kill for unnecessary stuff. This one go quarrel with this one. Okay, shoot. You like, do you think these European people, they don't have courts too? Do you think so? Do you think they don't do this thing called court? They have. But they are set of matured people. When they come out, they respect them a lot. They respect them a lot. Theirs is for peace, unity, honesty, and all of that good stuff. When they come out, they respect it. They have big money. When they they want to do like a war, it is for peace. When they want, maybe the government is misbehaving, when they say those people want to come out, it is for peace to reign in that place, for things to be sorted out, not to kill innocent people. But how about Nigerians, my country, where I came from? They kill because of girlfriends. They start killing their family. Hey, him cause my girlfriend. Stupid things. Okay, this one, they went and meet a guy in a house. For what reason? I would try, if any of you want this video, yeah, I don't know if I drop the video, how it will look like. I don't know, because you see, I'm new here on YouTube and I'm still learning a lot of things, but I really have to come here and talk about it. You see, it is late and I watched the video and I say I must come here and talk about it. Like now I'm using my ring light, so it is really dark in here. What is going on? Nigerians no go let see better thing make they put hand on. No. Okay, these strength what could they use like this? Those ones in Africa, when they do NSAS protest, all of them hide on themselves for inside. Now the innocent people where they don't even do, like the people where they put on for this thing, the big ones. If you see money where they give them, on a go shock, but their skin they fresh. But see una they do like flare up and down. See una skin, una don't use nonsense cotton. See una once you go no say, hey yes, this person, now this thing just specialize on. He's a artist. Because knife, everything, all your face, designers. They don't turn your face to designers, Gucci and Prada. Your face. Then what example are you giving to the young ones? What example? They go say una go school, una no go fit graduate again. Why? Because una don't spoil una life. Yes. Yes. I don't understand these people, oh. What did they happen? I watched that video and I was so upset. I said, this net, I must talk about this thing because a lot of people are not talking about it and it's getting me upset. What is wrong with us Nigerians? Our country will for common. Make we remember, say the things we they get here will not get on half our country. It's impossible. It's impossible. Una go carry 5 years for hand. Because of story we una talk, say na cultists they pursue una from Nigeria. Na cultism, they won't kill you, they won't do this one. Let me tell you guys a story. When I came through the sea here. I came with the boat. So there was a place. The place we went to do the crossing. It's like a camp. So at night I wanted to go and ease myself, and the guy that stayed with me said, please Brenda, don't go. You see those boys? They were only candles, shouting, screaming, and shouting like rubbish bets. I don't know. He said they are bombing somebody. They want to add someone to themselves, so don't go there. I say, even here, that people are praying, oh God, let us pass this sea, this and that. They are still doing this rubbish here, and they are still seeing senior man. Now maybe senior man. Now maybe this one. Now maybe this one. May God punish all of you now. What is going on? What example are you going to give to your own children? Your children, what example? What good example? Like how? Oh God! Even in the video, somebody will say, "I want to do this. We will go to this one for you. We will go to prison." That prison, una they talk. All of una go see the prison. Una go see the prison. Una they beat person. See the way una they beat her like say an animal. Even though an animal, una go beat her like that. What is going on? All of you be one. I don't know if this one is end time or something. You people should be one. Stop all of these things. Why won't they deport? They go say, Nale Nigerian, they deport. They don't like us. Una attitude good. If una attitude good, they go leave una make una stay. There are other countries here. There are other guys that are from other countries here. Have you ever seen them misbehaving? Una go even go supermarket, goes the hustle, normal hustle. I'm not laughing at anybody that they went to the supermarket to beg. That's not what I'm saying here. But if person no get work, he go need to find something to get money. But why go there and fight? You see some people, they fight. Like, see, they carry supermarket from Nigeria, come here na my space, here na my space. Nonsense set of people. People father. Here na my space, here na my space. Una carry supermarket come from Nigeria. They go just put everything for their head. Courtesan now na own, fight now na own. They swear give una. They swear give una. Like what I want to say, make una no go carry, like this rubbish you people are doing is robbing other innocent Nigerians when no one know to. Because of una, they no go give other decent one job. Yes. Una be embargo for other decent people way. And because of that one, if una refuse to stop, God go now they go flush go that country. Una now they go flush. Only una now God go let them flush. And I won't be sad about it. Because now what you una deserve. Mona let the good one see road. Like they say, they no go use mouth tell pikin say come off for smoke. Pikin will get sense. It go come for smoke. What do you know say no favor you for your country? You still come here, come continue. It gave you a person go mature, you go do this particular thing. Give you go mature, you go say, oh, this time I want to stop this thing. It's over. Let's stop. You go stop. You go change your ways. You go change your ways. No. Some people will not be like that. Oh, they go want do until they enter grave. And those boys where they say they won't die, they won't do this. More not forget. Oh. All these Oibo police, they're not blind though. They look everything. What did they pay me? They'll say they're not guessing. So now not guessing. Now not guessing. They'll say Oibo not guessing. They don't know. Now not guessing. They watch you now. They watch you now. The day when they go handcuff now start to they cry. Hey, una go see fire. For those of you that are planning in your heart and you are still aspiring to be like them, just know the way they will end up, that's the way you yourself you will end up. So it's hard time you stop all of these things you guys are doing and focus. We not come here come play. We come here because our side where we dey good. It no good, and we come here for greener pastures. Why not focus on what brought us here instead of doing the wrong things? School they no go. See the English nonsense talk where they talk for the video. They use nonsense word, illiterate. It's not the matter of illiterate, because get some people where they even go school, they not get sense. Oh my God, what's going on? Like that video, it pain me for my heart. I looked the video, I just felt like, man. And they forget say these people they see them more. Like this video, it has gone viral. Una not say to spoil something very easy, but to repair and to straighten the thing, it don't bend. It dey hard too much. It dey hard. Now so it go be easy for una to go, but if they capture una, before una go come up for that place, una go see pepper, una go chuka for now, una no go see tears. Make una never change. Oh my God, it seems I'm ranting too much. My God. For those of you that don't know me, I'm sorry. I'm ranting too much. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself earlier. And if you see my face for the first time, you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your post notification to always notify you whenever I post a new video. Okay? Please share this video, make it reach people, make they forget sense. And if you want the main video, yes, just send me a message on my email or drop it in the comment section. Okay, drop it and I will message you back. You just tell me how to send it to you. Okay, I will just send it because I need you guys to share this video. May all these people, their face, may they go viral, even though their family see them for Nigeria, may they know say they be disgrace to them. Okay, so I'm trying to smile, but the smiling is not coming. I don't know why, but I'll still try and brighten up my face. So please For those of you that want to be like these people, they don't be legends, so they are disgrace. So please, if you know these people are your brothers, your family members, please advise them to stop whatever they are doing, that it is rubbing on other Nigerians, other decent, good Nigerians. It is rubbing on them and it's not fair. Okay, they should stop it. Okay, please, 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 please share this video. I really appreciate you. My name remains Priceless Brenda, and for now I'll be out. Ciao, ciao.